let's get to a love message. What love messages are willing or need to come for you? Let's see your message. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Let's see your love message. I feel like this card want to come, but it don't want to come. Someone got a secret crush. Bend out, don't break, bamboo. Someone could be tall, or someone got a strong boundary when it comes to you showing love or emotions. Show that they're interested. This could be someone a little different. It could be the sun and a moon type energy, but it seems like some form of balancement is happening. I do see that a lot of growth and stability, or a lot of strength for this connection that will be coming in. I feel like anyone in the background trying to pull you apart, you are a strong companion, and y'all will not bend or break to please anyone when it pertains to your love and happiness. Love and happiness. So that's a channel song for you guys. So please like, share, subscribe.